issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southeastern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northern Newton County in northwest Indiana, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near St. Anne, or 8 miles south of Momence, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ennis, Conrad, and Lake Village around 12:35 p.m. Roselawn around 12:55 p.m. Pembroke around 1 o'clock p.m. Other locations affected: at 41 Dragway, severe thunderstorms produced damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas